Welcome to Best Choice. The best Papel De Contacto De Seda is probably one of the most versatile and stylish ways to refresh your living space, offering a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and practical functionality that can transform any surface with ease and elegance, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and interior design lovers alike seeking a quick and impactful update. Number 5. Renu Advanced Formula Multi-Purpose Contact Lens Solution. Tired of dry, uncomfortable lenses? Discover a new level of comfort for your soft contact lenses. Our advanced formula gently cleans and disinfects your lenses. It effectively removes buildup for crystal clear vision. Keep your eyes feeling fresh and hydrated throughout the day. It provides essential moisture for comfortable wear. This versatile solution does it all. It cleans, disinfects, and moisturizes your soft lenses with ease. Get everything you need in one convenient package. It comes with a handy lens case for your convenience. Enjoy long-lasting freshness with this value pack. You'll receive 2 bottles to keep you supplied. What we like? This advanced formula is designed for gentle yet effective cleaning and disinfection of soft contact lenses. It also provides essential moisture and hydration for comfortable wear throughout the day. If you're looking for a reliable solution to keep your lenses clean and your eyes comfortable, this is a great choice. What people say. The silk contact paper has a beautiful texture that adds a touch of elegance to any surface. It's incredibly easy to apply and reposition, making it perfect for renters or DIY projects. The adhesive is strong enough to hold firmly but can be removed without damaging the underlying surface. Number 4. Abyssaly Black Wood Peel and Stick Wallpaper. Transforming your space is simple with this self-adhesive film. Just choose your surface, cut to size, and stick it on in a few easy steps. This decorative film is perfect for a wide range of smooth surfaces. Use it on furniture, walls, or for your DIY craft projects to refresh your home affordably. Give your old furniture a brand new look with this high-quality material. It's the perfect tool to unleash your creativity and create unique pieces. This thickened contact paper comes with a handy grid on the back. It makes measuring and cutting precise and effortless for a seamless finish. We are confident you'll love our product. If you're not completely satisfied, please let us know, and we'll ensure you have a great experience. Designed with an upgraded surface, it minimizes bubble generation during application. Plus, it's easy to wipe clean, maintaining its fresh look. What we like? This blackwood contact paper offers a hassle-free installation process with features designed to minimize bubbles. Its waterproof and easy-to-clean surface makes it practical for various applications. If you're seeking an affordable and simple way to refresh furniture, countertops, or walls with a stylish blackwood look, this is an excellent option. What people say. It truly gives the appearance of real material and elevated the look of my desk instantly. Even after repositioning it a few times, it stayed very sticky and adhered well without peeling up. The paper has a nice print to it. You cannot see the lines when you overlap the paper as they flow nicely together. Number 3. Lasiyanor Contact Lens Travel Kit. Introducing the Lasiyanor Contact Lens Travel Kit, your perfect partner for maintaining clean lenses on the go. This compact kit ensures your lenses are always ready when you need them. Never be without your lens care essentials again. This kit includes a cleaner, washer, mirror, tweezers, and remover tool, all in one portable package. Keep your contact lenses hygienic no matter where your day takes you. The included cleaner and washer make maintaining your lenses simple and effective, even outdoors. Its portable design makes it ideal for daily use, whether you're at work, traveling, or enjoying outdoor activities. Everything you need is neatly organized and easily accessible. This kit provides a complete solution for your contact lens needs, featuring a dedicated space for your solution bottle. Enjoy clear vision with the convenience it offers. The thoughtful design ensures it fits easily into any bag or pocket. It's the practical choice for anyone who relies on contact lenses for their daily vision. What we like? This travel kit provides a portable and convenient solution for contact lens care on the go. It includes a washer, mirror, tweezers, remover tool, and a solution bottle, all in a compact design. If you frequently travel or need a dedicated kit for your contact lenses, this product is perfect for keeping everything organized and accessible. What people say. It literally has everything I need to keep my lenses clean and comfortable when I'm out and about: a portable contact box, a mirror, tweezers, a remover tool, and even a solution bottle. The compact design is perfect for tossing into my purse or backpack, and the blue color is just cute enough to make me smile every time I use it. It's so easy to keep my lenses clean and comfy on the go, and that's a total game changer for me. Number 2. Black Silk Embossed Self-Adhesive Wallpaper. Introducing our elegant black silk wallpaper, featuring an embossing process that minimizes bubbles for a smooth, advanced texture. It enhances any room's ambience with a stylish, matte luxury finish, complementing both modern and traditional decor. Crafted from durable vinyl with a PVC lamination film, this wallpaper is waterproof and stain-resistant. Cleaning is simple, just wipe with a towel, making it ideal for renters seeking a temporary yet stylish update. Transform your space effortlessly with our self-adhesive design. Simply peel and stick this 15.7 by 118-inch roll, no extra adhesives or tools needed. It's an easy, hassle-free way to refresh any area. This wallpaper is easily removable without damaging walls, making it perfect for tenants. Its versatility extends to kitchens, bathrooms, furniture, cabinets, and more, offering a quick refresh for your home. We stand behind the quality of our contact paper. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution promptly. What we like. Featuring an embossed texture for a sophisticated matte finish, this contact paper is also removable and render-friendly. Its waterproof and stain-resistant qualities make it ideal for high-moisture areas and easy maintenance. If you're a renter or someone who enjoys frequent decor updates without damaging surfaces, this is a fantastic choice for kitchens, bathrooms, or furniture. What people say. The size is perfect and easy to cut. I used it for walls and wooden cabinets, and it sticks very well. Peeling and fixing it is easy too. The peel and stick application is simple and render-friendly, no mess, no glue. It's waterproof and holds up well around sinks and countertops. Love this product. Adhesive quality 10/10. The color was right on point and it was very easy to install. The alignment was accurate and its function is well served. Number 1. Yancorp Matte Black Contact Paper. Introducing the Yancorp Matte Black Contact Paper, a simple and elegant solution for your home decor needs. Its classic plain black design adds a touch of sophistication to any space. Crafted with a PVC lamination film, this wallpaper is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. It effectively resists dirt and stains, making it incredibly easy to maintain its pristine look. Measuring 16 inches by 120 inches, this roll provides ample coverage for various surfaces. It's perfect for updating countertops, drawers, shelves, and more. Enjoy a hassle-free decorating experience with its self-adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick to transform your space in minutes, no extra tools or glue required. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues or are not completely satisfied, we'll send you replacements immediately, no questions asked. What we like. This matte black contact paper boasts a plain, elegant finish and is constructed from durable vinyl. The easy-to-clean surface effectively blocks dirt and stains, making it highly practical. If you desire a simple yet stylish matte black update for drawers, countertops, or furniture, and value durability and ease of maintenance, this product is a solid pick. What people say. It looks like regular wallpaper but feels like a real chalk board. When using chalk it draws just like a regular board would. The letters stuck very well to my project, but also were able to be peeled off without leaving residue. Has a little bit of texture, so isn't slippery. Also matte, so helps with mouse tracking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.